Hi everyone, this is Cameron the Surf Wolf, coming to you from the NextLevel Surfcamp Bali with another installment of the NextLevel Surf tutorial series. Today we're going to deconstruct the elements of the perfect surf skate turn and take these elements straight to the water. You'll be doing full rail turns and throwing spray, which is the dream scenario for every surfer. So stay tuned. Let's start with the first and most basic surf skate drill, a simple right and left turn through some markers. Performing this drill hundreds of times allows your body to gain the muscle memory required to perform these turns in the harder environment on the wave. The focus of this drill is to perform smooth and consistent turns, then deliberately hitting the set positions in their most extreme form. In practice, this means getting as low as possible on turn entry, loading up through the turn, and a full extension of the body on the exit of the turn. So we can summarize this for all turns as drop, load up, extend, contract, drop again, extension through the turn, drop again. Or thought about another way, touch the floor, touch the ceiling, touch the floor, touch the ceiling. Whether on a skate or a surfboard, this technique will always allow you to have maximum control when compressed on the rail during the turn and maximum speed on exit via the full body extension on either the toe or the heel side. So don't be lazy with those legs and knees and try to carry as much speed as possible while still holding the correct line through the turn. So we're low and compressed on entry, high and extended on exit, with an immediate reset. Touch the ground, touch the roof. Touch the ground, touch the roof. Using just these three standing poses of the next level system, the eagle reset, the toe side turn, and the heel side turn will yield amazing results and get you surfing better than you ever thought before. So please like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and we hope to see you surfing with us in Bali soon. Cheers!